What's up guys, it's Clay from Verus Engineering here. Today what we're going to be doing is showing you how to install your throttle pedal spacer on my 2013 BRZ. Guys, so to start the process, there's going to be two 10mm nuts that you see here that we're going to need to remove. One on the left side and one on the right side. And they are going to be right here and right up top here. Alright, so after you remove the two 10mm nuts, right up top here, as you can see, there is an electric plug that we need to remove before we remove this whole assembly. Now after the electrical plug is removed, you can pull off this whole assembly and put it aside for right now. And then here is what we have left, and this is where the throttle pedal spacer will go. Now what we're going to do is take our supplied hex bolts that you got with the kit. We are going to drop them in this backside here and slide them up. There we go. Alright, so after you get the hex bolts in place, we're going to install this back. If I can get in here. There we go. Just sits right on top. And then we are going to put the factory bolts or the factory nuts back in place. Now, like I said, we're going to put the factory nuts back in place. We recommend installing this all the way over to the right, so we want to push it all the way up to the right as much as possible. And then we are going to torque these bolts down to about 6 foot-pounds. With the throttle pedal spacer torqued down correctly, we are going to put the pedal back in place. I recommend go ahead and put your supplied nuts on there, mount the pedal in place, and then we will connect the electrical connector back. What we're going to do, we're going to just rotate this plastic piece counterclockwise, get it all the way out. Now you're going to install your supplied spacer back here. Now this may take some effort as you're going to have to thread on the back side, but once it starts getting threaded, it'll go on pretty easily. Alright, so there it is, full installed. There's the pedal spacer behind the pedal there, and you're all good to go. We do advise kind of feeling this out for the first couple days because it is going to be a different pedal feel. So please be careful first couple times out driving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and until next time.